Amidst a fierce blizzard with howling winds and thick layers of snow, he decided to pitch his tent, creating a warm shelter in the frigid, white landscape. He patiently observed the terrain, searching for a safe location, one that would reduce wind pressure and provide stability for the tent. Once he had chosen a spot, he quickly got to work, securing each tent stake firmly to the hard snow and pulling each anchor rope taut to withstand the howling winds. He continued gathering firewood, building a fire, the most precious thing in this situation. Inside that makeshift camp, he not only found survival, but also created a space safe enough to rest and recharge. From setting up a storm-resistant tent to building a cooking fire, it was all a battle against the weather.